Have you been looking for that perfect single-level home with a 3-car garage in the Kyrene corridor? The one that's highly sought after for its split floor plan, large bedrooms, soaring 18-foot vaulted ceilings, and a spacious great room? This is it, the most popular UGC model, the Ritz in the Northwest Chandler's Warner Ranch on a 10,463 square foot corner lot backing to green space. As you enter, there's a large formal area which could easily fit a pool table. There's also a spacious flex room that can be used as a home office, gym, or 4th bedroom if needed. You'll quickly notice this floor plan is built for entertaining and large gatherings, yet is practical for everyday life. Towards the back of the home is a sprawling great room with wet bar, fireplace, and a lovely kitchen. The kitchen features maple cabinets with pull-out drawers, granite counters, island, pantry, and KitchenAid appliances. The primary suite is super huge with vaulted ceilings, plantation shutters, double sink vanity, soaker tub and shower, and the walk-in closet is decked out with custom organizers. On the way to the secondary bedrooms is the laundry with room for another fridge, and there's a utility sink, washer and dryer are included. Here's the powder room. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are split to the opposite side of the home from the primary. Both are oversized with vaulted ceilings and share a full bath. Out back, you'll find an oversized covered patio, putting green, and a small play pool which could be converted to a large spa. This home is conveniently located with access to the shops at Casa Paloma, within minutes to AJ Sprouts, Trader Joe's, and local favorite restaurants Flower Child, Ghost Ranch, and Postino's. You're also under 20 minutes to Sky Harbor, Intel, and the high-tech corridor. Homes in this area, like this, rarely come on the market, so be sure to head on over to check this one out.